guys, this is Kiki, owner of SelfCareApparel, and we're back with another video, y'all. Today's video is we're washing our body oil droppers. So hold on, let me turn y'all around. Okay, so you want to have hot water and soap. Some people use alcohol. I'm just gonna use soap and hot water. It gets it all enough. Okay, so y'all want to leave them soak for like, I would say 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse them out and let them dry. All right, y'all. So we're on our second bath. We're gonna let this soak for 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash it out, and then yeah. So basically, the bath washing process is you get hot water and some Dawn detergent or any soap you prefer, and you just let it soak, and then you wash it out.